Take 2, Blogmas, day 11. How are you all doing today? Are you okay? So again, there's nothing in the 11 one because it's in here. Do you want to show you my dress, do I? No. Right, where's my scissors gone? Okay, apologies if we get interrupted. We've got a few tradespeople coming in today and tomorrow. I've just stopped filming. We'll be back in a minute. Bear with me. Oh, hang on. So we are unboxing, in theory, if I can do this right. So there we go. Hang on a minute. Should have done this bit first. Oh, here we go. What we got? What we got? We have got cedarwood for a very special lady who's getting a little order done for her. Moisture lotion, of course. Can't have enough of that. There we've got. Yeah. Oh yes. What have we got? Escapism, and that's got sandalwood and orange in. Oh. Emphilia Sticks is having a bit of a Christmas present. They're doing a load of, I'm restocking my oils. Mental Balance. There you go. It's a very pretty picture. What's in this one? Frankincense and geranium. Christmas Spirit Blend. Just what you need. And fir needle. So I'm going to put together fir needle and cedarwood for another small business friend who's put in a little order. You know who you are, it's WS Stationery. I'll pop her link in the bottom below. So she wanted like a real piney type smell in our home office, so that is going to be happening for her. So thank you for unboxing with me today. Sorry it's a bit short and sweet. I've got her little order and another order's come in overnight, so I need to get making, but I am looking more festive. I was going to pop it on my little Santa's helper's hat as well, but you'll see that tomorrow's episode. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. As I say, I'm going to be making, so let's make away. Bear with. Okay, I'm going to do a shower gel for a little mini spa kit. It's like total chaos in here. It's very calm chaos, but it is total chaos. Wait a minute. Right, pumpkin spice shower gel. Pumpkin spice? No, sorry, jojoba. Smells lovely this, and I'm going to put the scent of Christmas in it as well. It's going to be absolutely lovely. Right. This whole table is shaking. Sorry, bear with. We'll get there eventually. I forgot to put my fairy lights on as well. Alright. Get sparkly. Can't see what I'm doing either, can you? Hang on. Bear with. There we go. I'm just doing this. There we go. Brilliant. Right, I'm going to pop, I think we're going to pop some Christmas Spirit Blend in, but I can take the one that we've got open already. Oh, it's going to smell divine, I would say. See how it changes colour? You can see the cinnamon and orange and clove going through the shower gel. Oh, love it. Lovely. So we've got a shower gel. What else are we doing? A cleanser, moisturiser, and I think we'll do a foot soak actually. That'd be nice. A little foot soak. And the foot soak has got, it's kind of like a foot bath soak, and it's got cinnamon, clove. It's very Christmassy. Let's do a cleanser. Lavender and chamomile going in. Oh, this is lovely. Let's look at that. Oh, it smells good. Yummy. It smells good enough to eat, not that I would. What have we got here? Aloe vera. We've got some moisture lotion. We've got some in a box that we need to use up first. So we'll get that one going. Shower gel. Cleanser, so we don't need that. And we don't need that. Put those out of the way so you can see what I'm up to. got my next gonk, although it's not for me, it's going to be sent to a friend for Christmas. It's very cute. I don't know whether I might just keep that one and get one for her, another one for her. I don't know. It's really pretty. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, I've got about 8 to my name, I think, around the house. So yeah, a bit random. Okay, so we've got that. So we've got the cleanser, so I can go in there. And I'm going to do a little cream. I'm going to do a surprise bauble, and look at this, how cute is this? A little mini spa kit. Really excited, really look forward to making these. This is my kind of day. And then I'm going to meet a friend with her order, hence the Christmassy attire for a pre-Christmas lunch. Should be very nice. I need to ring the local place up and make sure there's going to be room for us. I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so this is lovely and thick, this cream. Look at that. So pretty. I think we will use, I'm going to take the ones out that we've already used in the calendar. I think I might put in Rejuvenate, I think, in this one, which is lavender, tea tree and geranium. It smells really nice. It's really refreshing. It'll wake people up in the morning. Never work with oils. There's a bubble in the cap. Just do lots of sheet drops. There we go. Don't try that at home, everybody. Only for room therapists. Okay. So it's quite a little array of oils I've got going on. I might take them ones out and then put the different ones back in, I think. Well, there's a right collection of oils going on there. Might get some more in January as well. Another addiction. I literally had to clear out of all my oils just to make sure everything was in date, which is the most important thing to do. So that's my little spa kit done, I would say. And then I'm going to do a surprise bauble, which pop into here, and obviously there's like nice wrapping in there as well, so you can't see what's inside. And then it can hang on your Christmas tree. It's very cute. Okay, I was going to sip my tea and get a chance. Did not get a chance to get a cup of tea in me. I got a little bit in me before the school run, but delicious. Love it. I think while the cream's out, I'm just going to pop. Let's make another little cream here. As I say, there's another knock on the door. Apologies. I'll be back in a minute. Right, so that's a cream. And then what should we do? Should we put a rub? Should we put a vapor rub in the other one? Should we put a cleanser in? Put a cleanser in. Again, this is just loveliness in a bottle. I go a bit OTT with the amount I put in, but that's okay. Right, what we're going to put in, so that's chamomile lavender, so that's already got a scent in there. In the cream, I think we'll put, what is, sorry, there's one, yeah, respiratory, so ferny. Let's have a little smell of this one. Oh, it smells quite nice actually. It smells nice. Let's put mental balance in, so that's got frankincense and geranium. Oh, it actually says who it's made by. That's so cute. So I really like the whole sailor place that I get the oils from. Right, that's that done. That's a little surprise bauble. Oh, we've got one more pot. Right, so sorry, so we'll do a vapor rub. Really nice for those winter bugs that are around at the moment. And coals and blues, great for rubbing on the old chest area here and on the bottom of your feet as well. This stuff is amazing and works. great for tired muscles as well. Really helps to rejuvenate after like a long walk or run. Get a few ramblers and runners getting this balm for their feet. So it's an FYI for you all there. Looks like that. I'm literally just placing it in there. It's literally just like sensory play for adults, this has to be said. I'll put the online shop link in the comments below. If you haven't already done so and you are enjoying the content that I am putting out there, if you wouldn't mind liking any videos, doesn't need to be this one, and subscribing, that would be amazing. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna pop that. Look at that. Delicious. Right, so I'll put that in there. That's going to go in the bin. Right, so that is definitely done now. I've done a little mini spell kit. I just put the labels on. I'm trying to remember what I put in each thing. And then the wrapping paper, hang on a minute, for the walls. I'll use this one, I think. I love this, it hides a multitude of sins, this top. It's like a tunic top, I love it. It's very floaty, very airy as well. It's very weird weather we're having at the moment. It was like 13 degrees here yesterday. For December, that's ridiculous weather. Right, I've got my Merry Christmas paper, which will just go in like into half the bauble, and then I just go like this, little twist. And then I literally just pop the products in there, bundle it all in, and then clasp it together with the other one. Okay, so that ends your Blogmas day 11. I think I've got the day right. Please join me tomorrow, and I will definitely try and have my I'm going to have my logoed merch on. I'm not very good at having my logo merch around me. I'll get better at this. Trying to make it feel more cozy and calm than try and get my logo and my merch out there this Christmas time, but I am probably missing a trick there. So if you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, and maybe even sharing this video out to friends and family members, I'd truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye.